everyone, welcome back to my channel, Silverline's Beauty Playbook. Excuse my appearance, y'all, but I am in work mode, okay? I'm here to show you guys something different about me and something different that you can do all by yourself. Silverline's Beauty Playbook is beautifying her house. I want to show you how I do it. Today's video is going to be about how I install my curtains, okay? I know this is definitely not the type of video you expected to see on my channel. I didn't expect to see it. I put up curtains in my bedroom last night, and then I had to do the last one this morning, and I thought, this is a video, because everyone thinks that you will always need a professional to do certain things around the home. And now that I'm recently a homeowner, I think it's super important to learn how to do these type of things on your own. So before somebody charges you a pretty little penny or tries to ask you for ass just to put up some curtains, watch this video first. Lord knows I've had to flirt my way through window curtains, and you don't have to do that any longer. Let's start with the basics. You're gonna definitely need some tools, okay? You're gonna need some real tools, not that, you know, little cute little tool set that you got from somebody's baby shower or somebody's party. You need some real big girl tools, all right? You're gonna need big girl tools, the one that lights up. See that one that lights up? And your drill bits. I believe this is a drill bit. Yeah, I believe this is a drill bit. So it's one of these little long screwy type of things. You're gonna need this to drill holes in the wall for your. You don't have to be a professional, so that's okay. Let me just pick that up. You're gonna need a regular star-shaped screwdriver. Your anchors, plastic anchors. This helps to support the screw in the wall. And you're also gonna need, of course, screws. You know, that's important. Other things you're going to need besides your regular screwies and dewies, you're going to need a measuring tape. You also need a pencil, and make sure the pencil has an eraser, because you're going to use this for measurements. You need the eraser to erase all that stuff off the wall. And you're going to need a ruler, okay? For some reason I cannot find my ruler, but since I'm not a professional and I can do with what I got, I'm going to be using one of these cardboards. It's brought to you by Just Fab. Yes. Of course, you're gonna need your curtains, your curtain rods, and your curtain brackets. I believe these are brackets. All right, this is gonna be fun. You guys get to watch me do this thing that I do. All right, I'm not all about makeup and fluff, girl. I did some work around here. Look at these guns. Look at these guns. They did not come from doing hair. Well, you know what? They could have came from doing hair. Oh, I want to put a disclaimer out there. I am not a professional. YouTube, for the most part, has been my teacher when it comes to learning how to do certain things, including my window curtains. So I did learn from YouTube. I watch a couple of videos, and that just gives me confidence. So I'm hoping that this video gives you confidence next time you think about putting up your window curtains. All right, so we're at my window where I need to put up curtains. Yeah, I'm not sure what my camera is focusing on, but I need her to focus on me. Thank you. One of the first little things that I'm gonna be doing here is you wanna measure. This is how I put my window curtains up. So for me, I don't like my curtains to really be too much on the ground. So what I like to do is I like to pull my curtains up to a point on the ceiling or on the wall and kind of play it by eye as to what it looks like, okay? So I'm gonna pull it all the way up to the top here. And once the curtains have hit a spot on the ground that I'm okay with, I go ahead and I mark that spot on the wall. And so this right here is perfect for me. Once I've had my curtains to the spot that I know fits the length of the window, all right? What I do now is I measure from that spot to the window. Well, this is not a window, this is a door seal. I'm gonna measure from this spot to this spot here. And according to my measurements, it's about 10 3/4, almost 11. So that's 10 3/4 from this spot to this spot. The next measurement you're gonna have is how far you want it from your door seal or your window sill, depending on where you put your curtains, to the wall, okay? I usually like to have it out a little bit so that when I push my curtains back, when I open my curtains in the morning and I push them back, most of the curtain is sitting by the wall and not blocking my window. I want the ultimate amount of light, okay? Most places online will tell you 3 to 4 inches I like it a little bit wider. The measurement that I used around the house was about anywhere between 6 to 7 inches. So you want to remember those measurements because you're going to use the same measurements on the other side of the windowsill. So there we have it. I have it right about 7. So once I have those measurements in, I got, what is it? 7-11? Oh yes, 7-11. I'm going to use my handy dandy ruler, brought to you by Just Fab. And I'm going to start to draw up some lines. All right, make sure these lines are nice and faint because you want to be able to erase them. You don't want to see them later, and that's why you want to use a pencil. Very faint line so you can erase it later. So down one way and across the other way. And once you get your points, you're golden. I think the hardest part of this is the measurement. All right. Now we just make a little dot in that spot. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So now I go and get my brackets. And what I'm going to do with this bracket is I'm just going to draw in these coordinates. All right, so I'm going to start off with the top one. The top one is going to have the hole that I got on the wall, and then just draw the next hole in the bottom one. I'm gonna show you guys an up close of what I got going on here. I know it looks like a lot, but those are the holes. It's time to drill. I'm gonna put my drill bit right in the hole and secure it. Make sure it's nice and tight. And we're going to drill right into our holes right here. Nice and straight. That's 2 holes. Once your holes have been drilled in, you want to go ahead and put your wall anchors right in there. Yummy. Look at how easy that was, guys. Now I'm gonna go to the other side and do the same thing. Ooh, girl, I'm hot already. I'm working out these muscles. I almost forgot. I think we're gonna have to do a 3rd hole in the middle, straight down the middle, because it's possible that the weight of the curtains might be a little much, so you want a little bit of middle support. So that's next. Let me do that real quick. For this middle portion, I really don't measure the exact middle. I just kind of eyeball it to know. I figure that the middle is going to be somewhere right where that white bar is. The only measurements that I'm going to be needing is going to be 11 all the way up. That's all I need. So where's my pencil? I got stuck in my bun. Not a professional. The next step, we're going to change the head. I'm going to take out my drill bit. And I'm going to be using the star. I think they call it the star point. I don't know, girl. Open up, put that in there, and tighten it in. So we have our wall anchors in. Now the next thing to do is now nail these brackets to the wall through the anchor. All right, follow me. Sorry guys, I'm recording and screwing at the same time. So it's not letting me. But usually I use the screwdriver. I use the drill to drill it about that much, and then I use the screwdriver for the rest of it. Now I'm gonna use a screwdriver to finish up the rest of that. Hang on. Next. Now it's time to string my curtains. Secure the rod. You guys check out the length. Didn't that work out? Won't he do it? That is the perfect length. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this is something different that I just wanted to post out there and allow you guys to feel encouraged when it's time to do home projects like this. It can take a little bit of time, especially if you're not used to this type of project. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.